emailed our next candidate, Miss Grand Tondo. Once again, our Miss Grand Tondo.
Miss Grand from Manila is wearing Victoria's Secret inspired national costume. Miss Grand, Tondo, Manila.
People of Barangay Imelda, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang iyawan dyan? Tonight is not just a celebration of beauty. It is a celebration of courage, grace, and identity that unite us all. Serving you trans excellency from a pure-blooded Tamarao. This is Nicole Ayala Gakwe, hailing all the way from Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila. And the girl is standing in front of you is a proud fourth-year college student who is currently taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in Convergent Media at Far Eastern University. And tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only Latina Slayer and your Reina Hispano-Americana 2017, Teresita Winwin Marquez. And judges, I may not be the most famous candidate here tonight, but I did